Hey, what's up, guys? This is John here. I'm going to make this one quick and dirty for you. This is just an update. If you haven't seen my experience so far with JK Boots 300 line, go back. I'll put the last two videos I did on these in the description. Just a quick summary of that. Ordered a pair of boots. Soles started to separate. Sent them in to repair. Got them back and the soles are still separating. So now this is a brand new pair. A warranty exchange. So let's roll the intro and we'll get right into it. All right, without further ado, here's my new, without further ado, here's my new pair. First off, couple of things right away before we get into the soles. I'll show you a close-up of those. The leather's a little different. It's a smoother leather on this pair than it was on the last. The other pair, I don't want to say it was like suede or nubuck, but it was a little bit rougher, whereas these are smoother. Still got that color that we were looking for, though. Another thing on the old pair, I don't remember there being a tag in there. There is a tag in this one. And the insole, inside the leather insole, seems to be better. There was kind of a gap here on the old pair. So to me, the craftsmanship is a little bit better overall on this new pair. And here are the soles. There are some spots where it looks like there's a little, not like separation, but there's a little, maybe a void in the glue, we'll call it. I did just drop this one, taking it out of the box because I'm an idiot, so that's my fault. That hit there. You can see, I don't know how well this is focusing, but there are some little spots there where it's not coming apart, but just a little tiny void in the glue. And this is just me nitpicking because I've waited all summer for a pair of these, that hopefully I can actually wear. I do feel like the stitching is also a little better along the safety toe. Obviously, the safety toe is still noticeable and prominent on these, but the old pair seemed like the stitching really kicked in. It does a little bit over here, but not like it did on the last one. So that was the right boot. I've got 30 days, but I will say that I've been sitting on these for a couple of weeks. Their estimate was August 6th through the 20th. I think these arrived on like the 8th or the 10th, and now August is gone. So it's been busy. Life's been hectic. Don't mind my messy workbench here. Focus, please. So far these aren't having the issue that the repair had right out of the box. I don't know if they just tried to re-glue. I couldn't really tell if it was a re-glue issue or if it was a whole new resole. I'm assuming they just glued them. And then when that didn't stick, that's why they decided they'd go ahead and let me try another pair. So just wanted to get something out here. I know some people were curious to see what the new pair would look like versus the old pair. Things have been crazy around here. We have some stuff to do in the house this weekend, so I'm going to wear them around inside for that. I'm going to hold off on oiling these. Those other ones I oiled right when I thought I was ready to take them to work. I'm going to hold off on that. I am probably going to try some Cobbler's Choice or some Bic 4 oil instead of the I still can't say it. Instead of the oil that comes with them. That oil really darkened up the last ones. Go back and check out the other videos if you want to see that. But I have since added to my collection of my own stuff. I used to just use mink oil on everything, which really darkens them as well. But I like the light color of these, so I'm going to spot test those other two oils. I use them on my current pair of Thorogoods, and it didn't darken them near as much. So also not a big deal, but another thing that's different, on the old ones, they had the size stamped into the side up here, which, I mean, I could take or leave that, but there you have it. If you don't hear back from me, assume everything went well. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm probably not going to make another video. This will be the third one on these. So probably not going to make another video here real quick, I guess, unless I have another problem with them. But hopefully that won't be the case. Hopefully that was just, you know, they're handmade products, so glue set's different. There's lots of different things that could have caused my sole separation issue, and I'm hoping that this pair won't have that. So stick around. If all goes well, I'll wait and wear them to work full time at least a month or two before I'll give you any kind of an update, unless, like I said, I end up with other issues before that. So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for those that have subscribed because of this series of videos, and those of you that have commented, shared your experiences, or let me know that you'd like to see the rest of mine. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.